In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice template in Odoo. If you want to customize the look of your invoices in Odoo, the process is actually very quick and simple. This is useful if you want your documents to better match your company branding, improve the overall presentation, or make your invoices look more professional before sending them to customers. Starting from your Odoo dashboard, the first thing you need to do is click on Settings. This is where Odoo keeps many of the main configuration options for your database, including the visual layout used for business documents like invoices, quotations, and other printed reports. Once the settings page opens, go to the Companies section. This area contains the main information and branding settings related to your company profile. Depending on your version of Odoo and your screen size, you may need to scroll a little to find it, so just take your time and look for the company-related options. When you're in the Companies section, click on Configure Document Layout. This is the option that allows you to control how your official documents are displayed. It's especially helpful if you want to change the appearance of invoices without needing to edit anything technical. After you click that option, a configuration window will open, and this is where you can edit your invoice layout. You can review the available layout settings and make the changes you need to adjust the visual style of your invoice template. Depending on your setup, you may be able to update things like branding elements, spacing, and the overall document appearance. As you make changes, pay attention to the preview if one is available, since it helps you see how the final invoice will look before confirming anything. This is a good moment to make sure the invoice format reflects your business clearly and looks clean and easy for customers to read. Even small layout improvements can make a big difference in how professional your documents appear. And there you go. That's all it takes to change the invoice template layout in Odoo. As you can see, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few clicks from the dashboard. If you're managing business documents regularly, knowing where this setting is can save you time whenever you want to refresh or adjust your invoice presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your invoice layout quickly and easily in Odoo.